18/8/22 का जो ये रिपोर्ट है, दिस इज शोइंग प्राइमा फेसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच जजमेंट। अगर आप देखिए ललिता कुमारी का,
जी देख रहे,
तो उसके लाइट में इसको पढ़िएगा तो इसने बहुत कैटेगरिकली लिखा है कि हमारे घर में कैसे कैसे लूट किया, सामान को फेंका गया उठा करके, 50-60 असामाजिक तत्व जो है उन्होंने घर में घुस करके क्या क्या काम किया। और ये भी लिखा कि साहब कंकड़बाग थाना अध्यक्ष रविशंकर सिंह के संरक्षण में एवं दारोगा श्रीमती निशा की अगुवाई में रविंद्र कुमार, देवेंद्र कुमार दोनों बलिदान स्वयं ने 50-60 असामाजिक एवं गुंडा तत्वों के साथ घुसकर मेरे घर का सारा सामान सड़क पर फेंकवा दिया। तो इसके बाद एफआईआर क्यों नहीं हुआ इसके आधार पर? अभी कौन से आधार पर किए हैं देखा?
नहीं उस पर हम वो तो पास कर दिया जाएगा, थोड़े ऐसा
रुकिए
आजकल मीडिया में जब है तो उसको तो पास कर देना।
फर्स्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन मीन्स इट शुड बी फर्स्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन।
माय लॉर्ड एग्जैक्टली
है ना।
सेवा में वरीय पुलिस अधीक्षक
कब का है वो?
30/9/22 का।
30/9/22 का। तो ये जब आपके एसएचओ के पोजीशन में है तो इसके आधार पर क्यों नहीं एफआईआर हुआ? 18/8/22 के कंप्लेंट पर देखा। ये तो संभव नहीं इस तरह से पढ़ना। आपका पेज जो है वो पूरा निकलेगा नहीं। आप इससे
इस पे इनको कर देते हैं निकाल।
हाँ, पीडीएफ फॉर्म में दीजिए इनको, उसका प्रिंट आउट निकालिए, टेक्निकल असिस्टेंट को दीजिए। ये स्पेसिफिक एलिगेशन है इनके अगेंस्ट, और ये इसको अपने फाइल में लेकर के
नहीं अपने फाइल में
क्यों इनके हाथ से निकल रहा है ये?
नहीं वो तो जो इन्होंने जो
इन्हीं के फाइल से निकला है ना।
जी
कोर्ट में जो हुआ है उसको भी आप डिनाई करेंगे क्या?
नहीं हम ये कहना चाह रहे हैं
इनकी फाइल से निकला है ना ये, तो इस पर एफआईआर क्यों नहीं हुआ? इफ दिस इज इन हिज पोजीशन, रिटन कंप्लेंट है। अभी आपने बोला ना कि रिटन कंप्लेंट मांग रहे थे, तो ये अगर ये इनके पोजीशन में था तो इस पर एफआईआर क्यों नहीं रजिस्टर हुआ? ये जो इंफॉर्मेशन है 21/9/22 का, ठीक है ना, ये 21/9/22 का इंफॉर्मेशन ये कंटेन करता है the occurrence which again took place on 29/2022। 20/9/22 को संध्या 4 बजे फ्लैट में मेरा भतीजा स्वयं सोए हुए अवस्था में स्वयं एवं अन्य 25-30 अज्ञात व्यक्ति फ्लैट पर आ धमके और मेरा भतीजा को स्वयं को बाहर निकाल दिया और बोला कि 2 दिन के अंदर जो सामान तुम लोगों का है उसे घर से खाली करो, अन्यथा 2 दिन के अंदर हम सारा सामान रोड पर फेंक देंगे। जैसा कि पिछली बार दिनांक स्वयं को सारा सामान फेंकवा दिए एवं लुटवा दिए। तो 21/9 का जो रिटन कंप्लेंट है, इसमें 20/9 की जो घटना हुई उसका भी वर्णन है। उसके पहले जो इसने रिटन कंप्लेंट दिया, एक तो वो कहता है कि हमने 11/7 को दिया था, जो आप कह रहे हैं कि नहीं है।
जी 11/7 को ही दिया गया पहली बार।
ठीक है, वो अभी उनका प्ली है कि नहीं है।
जी
बट इन एनी केस इनके पास से 18/8/22 का रिटन कंप्लेंट निकला इनके हाथ से। इसमें इसने जो 17/8/22 को घटना घटी थी
रात 8 बजे
उसका जिक्र किया है। तो बोथ आर 2 cause of action, 2 different occurrences. This should also be registered as FIR.
लेकिन इसमें
17/8 की जो घटना घटी उसके बारे में इसने रिटन कंप्लेंट दिया आपको, जिसको आप अभी तक 18/8 का जो रिटन कंप्लेंट है उसको लेकर आप बैठे हुए हैं। इसकी कॉपी इसने सभी को भेजा है। श्रीमान स्वयं सो, मतलब इसने अपने तरफ से
पूरी कोशिश की सब
इस देश के जितने भी गणमान्य व्यक्ति हैं सभी को भेजा है।
जी।
लेकिन इसके बावजूद आपके एसएचओ महोदय जो हैं इसको लेकर के अपनी फाइल में दबा कर रखे हुए हैं। दूसरी बार इसने जो रिटन कंप्लेंट दिया उसमें उसने इसके बाद की जो घटना फिर घटी इसके साथ 20/9/22 को, उसमें भी ये लिख रहा है कि पिछली बार 17/8/22 को जो घटना हुई थी उसी के बारे में कह रहे हैं कि फिर वही घटना होगी तुम्हारे साथ। चलिए लिखिए।
हैवी लॉस से मिलोट 7 से 8 लाख का गहना और सामान गायब है इनका। इसका रिसिप्ट भी है हुजूर, सारा लूट के लेके चले
क्या
गए।
कीजिएगा, जहां जहां इस तरह के वर्दीधारी रहेंगे,
हुजूर इतना रो रहा
वर्दी
है।
पहन लिए।
ये
कब से हैं आप मिस्टर रविशंकर सिंह?
सर पटना में पौने 4 साल हो गए सर।
पौने 4 साल से हैं पटना में थाना अध्यक्ष के पद पर।
इसके बाद से कंकर
बुद्धा कॉलोनी से अब यहाँ आए हैं आप।
सर।
तो काफी प्रॉपर्टी आपने ग्रैब करवाया होगा, बहुत से लोगों को मदद किया होगा आपने संपत्ति अर्जन करने।
सर ये मकान मालिक को रेंटर करने
तो आपकी आदत खराब हो गई थी ना, इसलिए आप फंस गए इसमें।
सर
अगर आपने तरीके से काम किया होता, आपने अपने दायरे में काम किया होता, तो ये समस्या नहीं होती। यही समस्या है, इस वर्दी के अंदर इतना दम है ना कि उसके बाद मद में चूर हो जाता है आदमी। उसको पता ही नहीं होता कि हम भी किसी देश के एक नागरिक हैं और यहाँ का एक संविधान है, एक कानून है, इसकी परवाह नहीं होती है।
सॉरी लॉर्डशिप, सॉरी 22/9 का।
अब क्या सॉरी करने से क्या फायदा?
हमको तो जान के 22/9 की।
यू हैव टू फेस द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज नाउ। लॉ विल टेक इट्स कोर्स। लॉ विल टेक इट्स कोर्स। लिखिए। Heard and counsel for the petitioner and Mr. N.H. Khan, learned, standing counsel number 1. Full stop. Mr. Ravi Shankar Singh, the officer in charge, Kankarwag Police Station, within bracket, respond number 6, and Srimati Nisha, Inspector, Kankarwag Police Station, within bracket, respond number 7, are present in person. Full stop. The matter has been taken up for consideration. The matter was taken up for consideration in the first half of the court session. Full stop. In this writ application, the petitioner is praying for the following reliefs. Paragraph 1, Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3 and Roman 4. Next. The case of the petitioner is that he was in possession of one flat during LIGS quarter number 100/34, Kankarwag Colony, near Tempo Stand, Lohia Nagar, PS Kankarwag, since 2/11/2008. Full stop. His entry in the flat was by virtue of an agreement to sell executed by the original allottee, Dr. Shambhu Kumar, within bracket, respond number 8, who is presently working on the post of medical officer at Subdivisional Hospital, Tenughat, Bokaro, in the state of Jharkhand. Full stop. Under the agreement, the petitioner had paid a sum of rupees 3,50,000 out of the total consideration amount of rupees 4 lakhs. Full stop. It was agreed that at the time of execution of the deed of conveyance, the balance amount of rupees 50,000 shall be paid. Full stop. Next. It is further case of the petitioner that for purpose of transfer of the flat, certain permissions were required by the owner from the Bihar State Housing Board, and only after getting a conveyance deed in his favor, he could have transferred the same in favor of the petitioner. Full stop. Since this formality was not taking place, comma, the transfer was delayed, and on many occasions respondent number 8 offered excuses saying that because the flat is in the name of his father, comma, it has to be first transferred in his name and only thereafter it may be transferred to the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner was peacefully living in the flat for last 14 years. Full stop. On 11/7/2022, one Ravindra Kumar within bracket respond number 10 and Devendra Kumar within bracket respond number 11 entered into the flat and asked the petitioner to vacate the flat, as they claimed that they had purchased the same. Full stop. They threatened the petitioner to throw all the household things on road forcefully. Full stop. It is alleged that when the petitioner tried to lodge FIR in Kankarwag police station, comma, it was not registered by the officer in charge. Full stop. On 25/7/2022 and 27/7/22, once again respondent number 10 and 11 came with some antisocial elements, comma, threatened the petitioner to vacate the flat or be ready to face the consequences. Whereafter the petitioner filed a complaint case bearing complaint case number 9227C of 2022 and also filed a title suit bearing number 389 of 2022. Full stop. It is alleged that on getting the information about the legal recourse taken by the petitioner, comma, the respondent number 10 and 11 along with 50-60 goons entered into the flat of the petitioner on 17/8/2022 at about 8 am in presence of Ravi Shankar Singh, officer in charge of Kankarwag police station within bracket respondent number 6, and Srimati Nisha, the inspector of the police station within bracket respondent number 7, bracket closed. The household things of the petitioner were thrown out. Full stop. It is alleged that many valuable items including gold jewelry etc. were taken away. Full stop. It is then alleged that respondent number 6 and 7 took the petitioner to the police station, comma, made him to sit there till 5 p.m. and beaten him badly. Full stop. He was set at free only after taking signature on a written compromise paper forcefully. Full stop. The petitioner has brought on record copy of the complaint petition which he has filed in the court below in this regard. Full stop. Next, it is further stated that respondent number 6 and 7 handed over the case to respondent number 10. Full stop. Respondent number 8 allegedly threatened the family of the petitioner to kill them if they take any step or approach any authority to get the flat, as it was sold to him. Flat. Full stop. The petitioner was further told that he would be implicated in a case under SC/ST Act. Full stop. It is a specific case that all the act of property grabbing was done unlawfully under the protection offered by the officer in charge and the female inspector of the Kankarwag police station. Next. Yesterday, after hearing learned counsel for the petitioner, this court called for the appearance of the SHO of Kankarwag police station. Full stop. Today, he made his appearance, whereafter the matter was heard in detail in the first session. Full stop. An audio clip of the talk between the petitioner and one Prabhu Shankar, क्या नाम है?
प्रभुनाथ चौबे.
Prabhunath Chaube, an inspector of the Kankarwag police station, was
एंड मिलोट रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 8 इनसे भी बात हुई थी, शंभू कुमार ठाकुर.
and respondent number 8
यस मिलोट. रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 10 रविंद्र कुमार
and respondent number 10 8 काट दीजिए
18
has been played before this court, and at this stage only to gather a first hand impression of the matter, the court has heard the discussions which are there in the audio clip. Full stop. Next. This court called upon the SHO of the police station to inform as to why a first information report was not lodged on the basis of the information furnished by the petitioner with regard to the occurrence which took place on 11/7/2022 and thereafter. Full stop. One thing was clear to this court, that the petitioner had submitted written complaint, but that was not registered, and the police inspector Prabhunath Chaube was asking the petitioner to contact him for this purpose. Full stop. The petitioner was afraid of being implicated in false case, and therefore he was showing his difficulties, expressing in words that he is under threat of false implication by the officer in charge of the police station. Full stop. This court, having noticed the kind of allegations in which the officer in charge and another police officer of the police station were said to be involved in helping the private respondents actively in the matter of property grabbing, and called upon the officer in charge to first register a first information report on the basis of the information furnished by the petitioner. Full stop. At this stage, this court has been informed that on the basis of the information furnished by the wife of the petitioner on 21/9/2022, today Kankarwag PS case number 1139 of 2022, dated 1/12/2022 under section 147, 323, 447, 448, 506, 380, 427 and 504 IPC has been registered. Full stop. A soft copy of the same has been provided to the technical assistant of this court and a print thereof has been taken out. Full stop. This court has perused the same. Next. Peruse the same. Full stop. The written complaint is addressed to the Senior Superintendent of Police Patna, and in this complaint the wife of the petitioner has specifically alleged against the officer in charge and the female inspector of the Kankarwag police station. Full stop. A request was made to the Senior Superintendent of Police to take appropriate action. Full stop. Under what circumstances no action was taken on the basis of this complaint addressed to the Senior Superintendent of Police would be required to be answered by the Senior Superintendent of Police, Patna. Full stop. Next, this court therefore directs the Senior Superintendent of Police, Patna, within bracket respondent number. We have made Superintendent of Police.
Yes, 5. Superintendent of Police.
बिहार शरीफ है.
गलती से उसको करेक्ट कर देंगे हुजूर, पटना.
Senior Superintendent of Police, Patna, is directed to file his counter affidavit. Full stop. Right, counsel for the petitioner is permitted to make corrections in the name of the party, respondent number 5, and remove the typographical error in course of it. Full stop. Next, from the file of the SHO, within bracket respondent number 6, this court found that the earlier complaint submitted by wife of this petitioner on 18/8/2022 is in the hand of the SHO. Full stop. This written complaint discloses the occurrence which took place on earlier occasion, specifically the occurrence which took place on 17/8/2022 at 8 AM. Full stop. A bare perusal of it would show that it is disclosing prima facie a commission of a cognizable offence. Therefore, in terms of the judgment of the Honorable Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court in the case of Lalita Kumari versus so and so, reported in so and so, the officer in charge of the police station was liable to act on the basis of that complaint. But why he has not acted on that and acted in violation of the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court would be required to be known. Full stop. Next. Apparently in this case there are serious allegations against not only the private respondents, number 8 to
8, 9,
11,
11.
but also against the two officers, the two police officers who are respondent number 6 and 7. Full stop. Since they have already entered, since respondent number 6 and 7 have are already present in court, comma, this court issues notice to them, calling upon them to file their counter affidavit within 2 weeks from today. Full stop. Next, issue notice to respond number 8 to 11.
उनको भी हुजूर पार्टी बनाया जाता ना, उसको क्या नाम, कौन दुबे हैं हुजूर उसको।
छोड़िए ना, अभी जो है वो इशू नोटिस टू रेस्पॉन्ड नंबर 8 and 8 to
कॉन्टैक्ट
11
बात हो रही है, उनसे ही बात हो रही है।
by both modes, requisites for which must be filed within 1 week. Peremptory list this case immediately after service of notice on respond number 8 to 11 or on such and such date. 2 weeks से 2 weeks है ना, आपको दे रहे हैं 2 weeks
Yes.
to file counter
उसको
affidavit.
3 वीक्स कर दिया जा चुका, अब अदर साइड भी आएंगे तो
3 weeks.
वो आएंगे तो फिर उनको
ठीक।
टाइम देखेंगे जैसा होगा.
ठीक है, 2 वीक्स कर दिया।
No, I want to see the
My
counter affidavit of the SSP.
माय लॉर्ड 2 वीक्स ठीक है,
No,
दही से लड़ना आपको,
list this matter on 22nd of December
माय लॉर्ड।
2022 under the same heading, maintaining its position.
माय लॉर्ड, इसमें वन थिंग,
Full stop. In the meantime, this court calls upon the SSP Patna to file a comprehensive counter affidavit. After examining all aspects of the matter,
माय लॉर्ड,
comma, the role of the officer in charge of Kankarwag police station and the female inspector, comma, the CCTV footage of the Kankarwag police station be preserved immediately. The CCTV footage of the given date as per complaint of the wife of the petitioner and the petitioner must be preserved forthwith and be placed in the custody of the SSP Patna within 24 hours. Full stop. The officers in charge of the Kankarwag police station and the inspector, within bracket respond number 6 and 7, shall keep themselves away from the investigation of this case. Full stop. The SSP Patna shall depute a competent officer not below the rank of DYSP to investigate the case properly. Please stop. List the matter
इसमें सूरज हुजूर एक बात ख्याल,
accordingly.
ये जो स्टेटमेंट है, कंप्लेंट जो है 8/8